Hey anime fans, let me tell you about the absolute masterpiece that is solo leveling. Picture this. Our hero Sung Jinwoo, once known as the world's weakest hunter, now standing in the midst of the most epic battle you've ever seen. The air crackles with energy as shadows dance around him, each movement a stunning display of power and precision. The visual effects are just mind-blowing. Every time Jinwoo unleashes his shadow army, it's like watching a symphony of darkness come to life. The way his powers manifest, with those intense purple and black hues, it's literally giving me chills just thinking about it. But here's where it gets really interesting. As the fight intensifies, you can actually see Jinwoo getting stronger. Each challenge he faces, each enemy he defeats, he's evolving, becoming more powerful. It's like watching a real-time power-up, but make it absolutely epic. And when everything seems lost, when the world is literally on the brink of destruction, our boy Jinwoo steps up in the most incredible way. He's not just fighting for himself anymore. He's fighting for everyone, for the entire world, and let me tell you, it's absolutely breathtaking. The best part. After saving humanity from total annihilation, he actually gets recognized for it. We're talking major awards and global recognition, but what really hits different is seeing him celebrate with his friends afterward. All those who fought alongside him and survived. Those quiet moments of joy and relief, sharing drinks and laughs, it just makes everything feel so real and earned. Solo leveling isn't just about the fights. It's about growth, friendship, and becoming the hero the world needs. And trust me, it delivers on every single level.